Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you what you need to know about downloading videos from Dailymotion. First of all, open Dailymotion. Now if you have an account, log into your account or you can even sign up. Now some content creators may enable official download or offline viewing feature depending on the platform and region. Check for any download or save options provided by Dailymotion. Keep in mind that not all videos support downloading, and availability depends on the creator's setting and platform policies. Always use official features and respect copyright restriction when downloading content. And that's it. That's how Dailymotion video downloads work. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.